Alright everybody, we're going to do a video I promised a while ago. This is about how to change your fork slash branch with Terminus. Um, you don't need any kind of computer, PC. You don't even need a Wi-Fi router to do this. I've got my Comma 2 hooked up to my phone's Wi-Fi hotspot. So we're going to jump right in and get started. I'm not going to use a noob script here, even though he wrote me a pretty good one. I apologize to you if you happen to be watching this for some odd reason. Alright, so we'll go back to the main page of Terminus. Alright, when you download Terminus, you can go look at Eisenheim's video. He shows you pretty well on iPhone. On the Play Store, you just go type in Terminus and you download it. It'll ask you about premium, this or that or the other. It doesn't matter. Get to this screen, where it's your host. We'll add a new host. Obviously, you won't have two already in there. So we'll just do new host, alias. We'll call it video because we're making a video. Okay, host name or IP address. How am I going to get this? I've got it connected to my phone's Wi-Fi hotspot, so I'll go there. Let me make sure I don't have anything bad showing on my notifications. I don't. My password is my phone number. Don't call me, I'll call you. Alright, so I have one device connected, and this is going to be the Comma 2. So I'm just going to long press that bad boy, and it's going to give me the IP address as the first thing. So we'll go back over to Terminus, 192.168. What was it there? 202.198. Okay, so we'll give it the 202.198. All right, we got that going for us. So we're going to SSH. The support number is 8022. I don't really know if it'll work with just the 22. I'll be honest with you, I'm not the world's greatest tech genius here. All right, so we need a key. So we can get the key. Easiest way is to go to Eisenheim's video, and I'll put this same link in on this video. Hopefully he's not upset about it, but it's the same key as the putty key, which you can find in our Discord group, which is linked here too if you didn't come here from our Discord group, even though you most likely did. All right, so just go there, download this key right here. Do you want to download it again? Because I just downloaded it, tested it out, but we'll say yes. So there you go, we've got new key. All right, so let's go back to Terminus. So we'll select the key, and you want to go to add a key. We're going to import the key, and it is going to be in my downloads because I just downloaded it, and there it is. And we'll give it the old check. So there you go. And this is the one we just did. So we got that set up. All right. So that's everything. So hit this check mark up here, and we'll go click on video now. Username, I just always put in root. I don't think it matters what you put in. You put in Pocahontas if you want to. Hit connect. So here we are. We're in the terminal here. So you want to change your fork. Let's go cd/data. Boom. And everything from here is going to be the same as in the putty video if you watch that. So all I'm going to do to start out with is I'm going to do mv OpenPilot space OpenPilot. That's not how you spell pilot. Pilot dot backup, and all this is doing is moving your old OpenPilot installation to directory. Not oh, so apparently I already have that. So we're going to mv OpenPilot to OpenPilot.old. There you go. So now we've moved all our OpenPilot stuff to a different folder. If we want to go back to it, we can. So what we need to do now is find out what fork we're going to go to. So for today's games, we're going to go to Eric's fork. I'm using this in my wife's Prius Prime. We use Eric's fork. So always just Google Eric Moraga GitHub if you want to use a different fork, like say Shane, you can Google Shane, Mystical, OpenPilot, Shane, GitHub, whatever combination of words you need to Google to get to whatever page it is on GitHub you need to get to. All right, so going to OpenPilot. So what we'll do here is, and I'm not used to doing this on the mobile, so I don't know where the URL is, but we're going to find it in a second. That's not it. That's not how you get to it. We're all learning today. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So where do we get our... Yeah, guys, I don't know. Let's click View Desktop Site. Okay, there we go. So we can click the code right here. Click Copy. Now we're going to go back to our Terminus terminal. So we want to do Git clone. And then we'll paste in what we just copied. Press Enter. There it is, downloading it. Take about a minute. I'll pause this so you don't have to sit through the whole thing. All right, boys and girls, this is painfully slow over hotspot, but I thought I'd come back and talk to you now for a second. So a lot of the different major forks will have SSH commands on their Git pages. You can just copy and paste in and not have to go step by step. I know Shane has that. I know Arn has that. You just copy the whole command, paste it in, press enter. With Arn in particular, you come back in 2 hours, you'll be ready to go. I'm just showing you this. This is just step by step. You can use it for any fork in any branch. But of course, it's faster and easier if you use the copy and pasted terminal commands off the different Git pages. But this is just a step by step way. So if you wanted to use those, you would just go back to where I typed in Git clone and just paste in their whole little command line, and it'll get you right where you want to be. But right now we're going to do the step by step way, and we're getting to the end. So here we go. All right, so now we've got Eric's default branch in now. So to change to the branch we want, we're going to do git checkout 082 is this latest one. Whatever branch you're going to, you need to make sure that you do it exactly. But before you do that, you need to do cd OpenPilot to get in the right spot. All right, then we'll do git checkout, and you need to spell checkout right. 082, and this will change our branch. So now we're on 082. If we wanted to come back and update in case there's been any changes, we'll do git pull. Already up to date, obviously. And the last thing we're going to do is type in reboot. And once we do that, our C2 will reboot, and it'll install whatever fork and branch we just changed to. It won't tell you anything. So I know this is probably the worst video that's ever been uploaded on YouTube, but that's okay. I'm not some technical genius. I'm just a guy that's willing to talk in my videos, which seems like the people that know what they're doing aren't. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, join our losers Discord. I'll link it at the bottom of this video.